Any Osmo users out there? Well, I want to share with you how you can create your own word games on Osmo for your classroom. Start by creating a blank document, and the key is you want to have it sized 768 by 1024. You're going to then treat each slide as the screen of the Osmo. And so you want to make sure that you leave space at the bottom for the words the kids are going to be looking for. In this case, I have created slides based on the vocabulary that we had for a history unit. Some of the slides have pictures and some of the slides have words, but what they all have is space at the bottom for the Osmo program to generate the vocabulary word here. When you're finished with your slide, you're going to go up and share, and you're going to download all of your slides, but you want to make sure that you download them as JPEG files. Then you're going to head to myplayosmo.com and you're going to sign in. Once you get logged in, you're actually going to go to My Birds and you're going to create a new album. And as you can see, I have lots of albums that I've created for my students. You're going to click Create New Album, and then you're going to add an image. And here is where you can upload the images that you downloaded from Canva. Once you've uploaded the images from Canva, they're going to appear here in their own untitled album. And you might want to go ahead and add a title so that you can find it easier. Once the tiles have uploaded, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click each one and hit edit. And then what it's going to ask you to do is it's going to ask you for what word is the answer to your question. In this case, the answer to this word is bow. And as you can see, as I type it in, it's going to show me where it's going to land in my tile. It's also going to give me the option of deciding if this is an easy, medium, hard, or impossible word. I think this one will be too hard for the kids. When you're finished, you're just going to click done, and now it has saved that word with that image tile. Once inside your Osmo words, you're just going to go to library, and then you're going to see the album that you just did online is already here. And you just click it, and when you click it, it brings it up here, and these are all the decks of words that your kids might see based on what you have checkmarked. That means those are the words that the kids will see on that day when you play. And then if you don't want it up there anymore, you can just delete it, and it'll come down here back into your other albums. Follow for more tips and tricks on how to use Osmo and other tech tools in the classroom. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.